Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to join the HUDL Testnet and earn as many points as possible. The first thing to do is to sign up on Huddleverse using the link in the description. So once you visit the link, click this button, connect your wallet, click connect wallet, select your preferred wallet. If this is your first time visiting Huddle, you will get a prompt to add the HUDL Testnet to your wallet. So approve the request and the HUDL Testnet will be added to your wallet. The next thing to do is to sign in. So click sign in and accept the signature request in your wallet. Once you sign in with your wallet, the next thing to do is to follow Huddle on Twitter. So click follow X. It will prompt you to connect your Twitter account. Connect your Twitter account and follow Huddle on X. Once you've completed that, click join Discord. It will prompt you to connect your Discord account. Connect your Discord account, and now you will join the Huddleverse. Once you've connected your wallet, Twitter, and Discord, your Huddleverse will look like this. DeFi tags will be coming soon. So once they are live, you will see them on the DeFi arena. Next thing to do is to claim Faucet ETH. So click claim Faucet ETH and accept the signature request in your wallet to claim your TEST tokens. On the bottom left of your screen, you will see an area to copy your invite link. So click the copy icon to copy your invite link and use that to invite others to the HUDL Testnet. So to complete quests on the HUDL Testnet, click the quest arena and you will see some quests. Once you click on the quest, you will see the information about the quest and how to complete it. So I'll be showing you how to complete some of these quests. To complete the HUDL Up on mobile quest, click on it. You scan this QR code with your mobile phone, install the HUDL app. You can sign up with your email address, but make sure you are connecting the same wallet you use to connect to the HUDL Testnet here. So if you sign up with your email address, you can also link your wallet address on the app and it will link your account that you already signed up with on the Testnet. So that way you'll be able to claim your points for signing up on mobile. So once you complete a quest, you will see a verify button, click it, and it will verify your quest. If the verification is successful, you will get the points. To complete the power up your calendar quest, click the quest card and click install add-on. It will take you to a page where you can install the HUDL add-on for Google Meet. So click install and install the add-on. To set up your first meeting using the add-on so you can claim your points, visit meet.google.com. You'll find the link in the description. Once you visit Google Meet, click new meeting and click schedule in Google Calendar. Once the page loads, it will look like this. Give it a title. You can set when the notification will appear. Click the drop-down menu and select the HUDL meeting add-on. If this is your first time using this add-on, you will see an option to log in. So click login and accept the connection request in your wallet. Make sure you are logging in with the same wallet you are using for the HUDL Testnet. So once you've done this, you would see your HUDL meeting link here. You can use this to invite other people to join the scheduled meeting. The most important thing is to select the HUDL add-on for scheduling the meeting. Once you're done, click save and that's it. You don't even need to join the meeting. Once you've done this, go back to the tags and click verify and it will verify that you've scheduled your first meeting with the HUDL add-on. For the meet to earn tags, you can earn a maximum of 500 HUDL points every day. To complete the meet to earn tags, click the meet to earn card and click join meeting. Sign in with your wallet. So here you can select MetaMask and make sure you are signing in with the same wallet you used to sign up for the HUDL Testnet. So accept the signature request in your wallet. And now you can create a meeting. So to create a meeting, click start a meeting. So here you can decide to turn off your video and here you can decide to turn off your microphone. You can set your display name here. This is the name that will show once you join the meeting. Once you're happy, click join meeting and your meeting will be started. Now there's one important thing I want you to note. If you're sharing this link to others, make sure to unlock the room. So here you can see a notification that this room is locked. This means that if someone joins the meeting, the person will need you to approve them before they can join. And that is stressful if you are sharing the meeting on social media for people to join so you can earn points, because if you are not active, they won't be able to join the meeting until you approve them. So once you create a meeting, always unlock the meeting by clicking unlock room. and now the room has been unlocked. This means anybody who uses this link can join the meeting without having to wait for your approval. Another way to unlock your room is to click this padlock sign at the top of your screen. Here it shows locked, meaning my room is locked. So if I click on it, the room becomes unlocked. If you're using mobile, you can unlock your meeting on the mobile app by clicking the menu icon at the bottom of your screen. Then click host controls and you see an option to lock the room. So if the room is locked, click the toggle and switch it off so the room becomes unlocked. So here, click the copy icon and share this link with your friends to join the meeting. For you to earn points on Huddle meeting, there must be 2 participants in the room. I'm the only one in this meeting, so I need someone else to join this meeting so that both of us can earn points. So the host and the participants will earn points from the meeting, and the meeting must last for at least 10 minutes. So you earn 1 Huddle point per minute you spend in the meeting. Your maximum Huddle point for joining a meeting every day is 500, and this point reset at 12 a.m. UTC every day. So create meetings and invite your friends to join, or you can also join meetings hosted by others to earn Huddle points. So once you've ended a meeting, after a few minutes, you can verify to claim your points. So if you've gotten points from your meeting, you can click on the meet to earn card and click verify or verify again. Verify again means you've claimed some points before, so verify again and it will add the new points to your dashboard. Most times the points would not be added automatically, so you may have to wait for a few minutes or a few hours for the points to verify, even if it shows on your Huddle Meet dashboard. You can also earn points by joining meetings on Firehouse. So click the Firehouse card. Here you earn a maximum of 500 Huddle points per day, but you earn 1 Huddle point for every 2 minutes you spend in the Firehouse space. Here you can install the Firehouse app by clicking Open App, and you will see the links to install the app on App Store or Google Play. So you will need a Webcast account to use Firehouse. You'll find my Webcast invite link in the description. So sign up on Webcast and you'll be able to link your Firehouse to Webcast. Once you install Firehouse and link it to your Webcast account, you need to join Spaces. These Spaces must be hosted by users who joined Firehouse before 10th April 2025. So if you're a host or a participant of the space, you will also earn points for every 2 minutes you spend in the space. Now you will look for this icon to find spaces that you are eligible to earn points from. As long as you are in an eligible space for at least 10 minutes, you will earn points. Once the space has ended, you can claim your points by clicking the Firehouse card and clicking the verify button. So here I've earned some points for spending 188 minutes on a space. The points may not verify immediately, so you may have to wait for a few minutes or a few hours and click verify again so that it will update your points. So other quests are pretty easy to follow. All you have to do is to click the card, read the instructions, and verify your points. Very soon, the DeFi tax will be added and there'll be more opportunities to earn points. One more thing, join my Telegram group. I'll be sharing meeting links for Huddle and Firehouse so we can join and earn as much points as possible every day. If you've created a meeting, you can share it in the group so others can join and earn points. So that's it about the HUDL Testnet for now. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in the comments or in my Telegram group. You will find the link to the group in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more HUDL Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. You will also find a link to some of the hottest testnets in the bonus section of this video description. So check it out and join as many testnets as possible. So keep earning points on the HUDL Testnet. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.